You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. There are two slightly different pronunciations in English, but they are similar pronunciations. Let's break it down. British English, severance. Se, not see, not, se. The, a schwa sound, and then runs. Stress on the first syllable, severance. Now, some just skip entirely the second the syllable and just go to the runs, severance. It also exists. I think it's more the American pronunciation, US. So severance or severance. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.